Yes, I'm back. Long time no see. How you guys doing? What a crazy move today. Well, not today, overnight. I was not expecting this. And I don't think today is gonna be an easy day to trade, honestly. Everything has huge gaps above. And the market, even pre-market, is still looking weak. So today to be very patient and be careful. We gotta be careful. Morning. Hola. I'll be watching 432 on the Q, 420 support and 412 support, 432 resistance and 436 resistance, and for SPY it will be 512, 520. We're kind of far from 520, but it's basically pre-market lows. Like if we see the Q and SPY holding pre-market low, we can look for a little bounce there. Pre-market high is gonna be too far. We had let's see, so the market, let's just say SPY closed around almost at 433, right? And it opened, 533 SPY, and we're gonna open around 513, 512. That's like 16 points. That's a lot. I don't know why I moved so much. So basically what I know is after FOMC, the market's been even more bearish because we're expecting more rate cuts this year. And the market was pointing at that. The market was looking for Powell to say that the rate cuts this year were not gonna be done. Like basically the market was waiting for Powell to say that rate cuts, it was gonna be for next year, not for this year. And he didn't say that, so that's why the market is super bearish. I was not expecting this because most of the time the market is bullish during election years. Yeah, I know, but I'll be here this entire week. It's just sometimes I need to trade on my own, by myself. Sometimes I need that. And I actually did it very good. I've been growing my funded futures accounts, and it's been very consistent. I'm being very consistent with that. Maybe I can show you guys in a little bit here. Yeah, I do think it's gonna bounce back by the end of the year. Yeah, so this is my funded. I have on my funded future, you can have up to 10 accounts, but you can only trade 3 at the same time. The market is open, but I'm not gonna trade the first few minutes. I'm gonna let it settle a little bit. So what I'm doing is trading little by little with I passed 5 accounts, but I'm only using 3 because you can only use 3 at the same time. So I have 3 PAs that I've been trading consistently. Here you guys, I love my funded futures website. Here you can see your trades. Here, I haven't had any red days with these accounts. Yeah, And you can see here my average loss, average win, my worst trade, best trade, how many trades I've been doing, how many contracts, win rate, everything. How long are my trades? You can see here how much I've been making for longs and shorts. But yeah, so I have three accounts here. Oh, hey Debbie. I have 3 accounts here, all green. I haven't had any red days with these ones. Again, you guys can see it here. The only thing with my funded future is I passed these accounts, I think it was on the 22nd or 23rd, and they take like 48 hours to give you your PA, basically. So I have traded this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, all green. And yeah, I love this website, how you can see like everything here. Trade duration, if it is long, short, weekly, daily, monthly. Let's see, daily. I can already apply for payment, but I'm having a little bit of problem because I didn't realize that I had my ID, my license was expired. So, and in Miami, it's insane. I only found a date to renew my license on the 12th. So I'm not gonna be able to apply for payments here until I have my new ID. But if I go to payouts, so far I can apply for a 1,200 payment on all 3 accounts. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I love it so far. I really like it. The thing that I like it the most is you don't pay monthly or a one-time fee for your PAs. You just buy the eval and you're past the eval. They take like 48 hours to give you your PA, and that's it. You don't pay for anything else. Another thing, they have end of the day drawdown also, pretty good. And I can do DCA, which is pretty much how I trade. And I cannot DCA anymore with Apex. I'm still using Apex. In fact, I'm gonna trade with Apex right now. It's just that the not buying more if I'm red, the DCA, it's gonna affect me because that's how I trade. And they're not allowing that anymore. Well, you can DCA just one contract. And I'm the type of trader that I buy one and then I add more depending on how the market is moving. We'll see. So far SPY is rejecting 512. Let's see if it's gonna break that. If I see SPY breaking the VWAP or this little high here, most likely I'm gonna try to trade a bounce here. And if we see this rejection here, let's see how if the Q is gonna reject the VWAP, most likely I'm gonna trade to the downside till 520. 520 is like pre-market low. And on the daily was an important level also on the Q. We'll see. Do we have any data coming up today? A 10. We do a 10 today. And PMI at 945. Yeah, PMI at 9:45 and we have another data at 10. Okay. Okay, we have the Q breaking the VWAP. SPY is still fighting 512. I'm gonna buy Nvidia, I'm gonna buy the dip with stocks, like with shares, for my for my portfolio. Nvidia, Apple, I like Meta too. But most likely it's gonna be like VOO, VYM. I always buy like the same three stocks for my long term. And I like this break. Let's see if the SPY can break this little high here. The thing is, like, we have data coming up in like 7 minutes. Tesla 191 is a good hold. Broadcom, if it can go above 140, could be a good one. Okay. The Q looks stronger than SPY, definitely. And everything has huge gaps above. Okay, so let's see how the Q is going to react to 432 and SPY to this little high here. Okay. We have the Q rejecting 432. I like SPY here if can hold that level. Yeah, here. So we have data in 5 minutes. I don't trade like on Sundays, but I saw so many people that made so much money last night. It was insane. Morning, morning. Ooh, I like that I like this move on SPY. Just I don't want to buy here with data coming up in like 4 minutes. Also, I like the idea of buying Nvidia 100 calls, like 100 strike for the week. Let's see how are those moving. If Nvidia keep holding that view up, I like it for a bounce today. And SPY keeps holding that level. Oh, we'll see. 2 minutes for data. I could even see Nvidia just filling the entire gap and going to 105, 106. Okay, I got Nvidia 100 calls weekly. My stop loss is gonna be morning low. Okay, I get data, it's out. Gonna wait a little bit more. So I'm watching this 432 level on the Q, and I like this hold here on SPY. If the Q can break 432, I'm gonna go long. If I see the Q rejecting ugly 432, I'm gonna go short. And if SPY can give me a little bit more consolidation here, I can go long here also. Meta is very strong. I'm kind of expecting a green day today. Not a huge green day, but a green day that it can for just a dead cat bounce. After the huge move to the downside. Yeah, I want to see the Q really breaking this 432 level to go long. How you guys doing so far? You guys waiting or already trading something? You guys need anything? Okay, I like that break. Okay, beautiful break there. This was the entry here, this entry, but I could not enter here with data coming up. $18K on the Q. Let's see. I don't use NQ, but let's see. I like round numbers. 18K. Let's see why. Okay, I can see here little resistance around 18. Yes. Beautiful support here. That was a perfect support here on the NQ. Yep. Yeah, you can say 18K. Whoa. Okay. 432. Beautiful hold here. I would like to see the Q like give me a pullback to that level. Man, this was the entry. But just too risky with data, before data. But this was the entry here. $520 is the next big resistance that I see on SPY. Okay, let's see if SPY can give us another pullback here to 515, 514.60. Okay, if the Q can pull back here and hold, I'm going long. I'm gonna buy. Oh wait, let me change these. Daily levels. I'm gonna buy one here. If I see a little bit more consolidation around here, I'm gonna buy more. Okay, like that. Looks beautiful. Keep going. Let's see. What? What was that? Because I don't use NQ levels. And that move just blow it up 20 accounts. Okay, those were 20 PA that I was looking to pass. Let's go with 20 evals that I was looking to pass. Let's go with 1 PA that I have here. 1. Let's see. I like these hold here on the Q. No, I don't use NQ. I don't use futures charts. No, why? Sorry. I don't feel bad. The only thing that matters is how much money is going in and out of your account. Losing 20 evals is like it's losing like $200 because those were 50k accounts. That's nothing compared to how much I'm getting paid monthly with my PAs. Okay, I don't like these reaction here on SPY, but the Q is holding very good this 432 level so far. Let's see. 436 is the next big resistance that I see on the queue. So that's where I'm gonna sell one and then see how it's gonna react here, and then hold just one and see then how it's gonna react to this level here. Blowing up, yeah, it's like, let's see, 20 50k accounts on Apex is like how much? Like a little bit over 37, right? Let's just say 38, right? Multiply by 20, 38 multiply by 20. Oh, it's 760. Yeah, 760. Like it's under $1,000. It's like 760. Still, it's nothing compared how much I make with my PAs. That it's over and more than 760 up only on Nvidia right now. %28 up on Nvidia. So far, I like how the Q is holding 432, but it's doing nothing. Okay, let's sell one here. 436. I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, I'm all out. Yeah. See, I made that back already and more. Because this account is a PA. The other ones were all evals. Okay, I'm done with this PA. I'm gonna trade now with my funded futures. I'm done with Apex. Yes, I'm back. Okay, here I have three accounts. The way that I trade on my funded futures is completely different because I only trade with one contract. max 2, but the only thing that I'm looking here is consistency, right? I take one good trade, $200, over $100, and I'm down, and I'm out. Okay, 420 on SPY, important level here, guys. If we see the daily, look at this, 420 here, resistance. Let's see if we can break 420, right? If it breaks 420, the next one I see, the big one is 520, 527.50, and a little bit of resistance around 525.20. Okay, but 420 is the level to watch here right now. It's like, yeah, look, resistance here. So we want to see SPY breaking this level and then acting as support if we want to keep trading the upside, and maybe going for this big gap. $420. Let's put the gap here. So we have this daily gap. Yeah, so 420 for SPY. Looked at resistance there. And 436 here on the Q. Same thing with SPY. So we have what's resistance. Support, resistance. Even if we go back, we can see it was important level here also. So 436, 437. So that's the level to watch on the Q now. And then also, just like SPY, the Q has a big gap above here. Depending how we look at how we see the gaps, it can be the lowest of Friday, or technically is till close. So the gap, it will be till kind of like this, 448, right? But I like looking gaps on the daily, so I like kind of putting my gaps till the lowest of the day before. Almost 39% up on Nvidia. We're looking pretty good. Look at that reaction there. So the market's moving weird. We have clear uptrend, right? We have clear uptrend here. We can see how the 90MA and VWAP are going higher. Like break resistance, pull back, break resistance, pull back. use it as support, keep going. But still, I don't like how it's moving because we have like huge move and then pulls back, like big move, fast move, like this huge candle here. And that's why I took profits there. One, first of all, because technically the market is very bearish. It's just we're having a bounce day, right? So basically I was trading against the overall trend. Two, I knew, and you guys knew too, that I was looking to take profits around 436, which is a resistance on the Q, and we can see how it's reacting there. So there's no reason for me to kind of hoping for a break of this level here. We're just scalping here until we have, like, if, okay, the market is very bearish, right? But I was bullish for today. So if I'm bullish today, I'm not gonna be looking to play huge move to the upside because we're just having a green day so far. But at the end of the day, the market is bearish. And we know that when we trade with the trend, the overall trend is when you catch like big move. Going against the trend, it's just quick, like take your money and out, be out. And also you guys can see how I'm more aggressive when I'm playing with evals, which was the first trade that I got stop out, that I blow up the evals even though we were going on the right direction. And I bought like 4 contracts on that trade, but with my PA I only bought 2 contracts. And now that I changed to my funded future here, that I'm gonna trade with my 3 PAs from my funded futures, I'm only gonna trade with 1 contract. I'm looking for consistency with PAs. I don't like this 30-minute candle on Nvidia. That's an ugly rejection. For you guys, if you guys are looking NQ, look that ugly 30-minute candle on the 1800 level. Look at this. That's an ugly reaction there. Let's see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. If it closes like this, most likely we're gonna go back down to morning low. By the way, I took some profits on Nvidia, and I'll be all out if cannot hold the view up. But still like how the Q is holding here. I'm gonna try one long here. If the Q cannot hold this level, I'm out. And under 432 is definitely very bearish. Maybe I'm looking for, maybe we're gonna have another retest of this 436, 437 level. Okay, I like that. Beautiful. Keep going. Give me a little bit more. Okay. I'm out. I'm out. I don't like how it's moving. I'm out. I do think it's gonna retest this level. I just don't like how fast. You guys saw how fast move here. I don't like how the market is moving. And I think I'm pretty much done, guys. I do like how, really like how the Q is holding this 432 level and how it's consolidating above. I just don't love how this 30-minute candle is looking here on everything. Like here SPY, it's looking ugly. Also, Nvidia, don't like how it's looking, that 30-minute candle also. But technically, we're still on a bullish day. We still have this clear uptrend. We still have the 90 EMA and the VWAP going higher. So it's technically bullish. The NQ is still fighting that 1800 level. But yeah, looking for a consistency on my PAs. 750 on all 3 PAs that I have with my funded futures, more than enough, because like I show you guys, just trading with 1-2 contracts, and so far I haven't had any red days on these PAs. So I got the PAs on Monday. No, when? What's this? The 26th. I don't know. When is the 26th? When was the 26th? Oh, on Friday. It was a Friday. Okay. So I got it on Friday. Traded pretty much every day with these three. Consistency. 500, 400, 3, 1,000 on Friday. And then today we have 750. So pretty happy with my performance on those, on my funded future. Love it so far. I got over 4K with my PA on Apex, and I lost 20 evals. That's more than enough. Oh, and let's see how we're doing on Nvidia. I have a few runners on Nvidia. They're up a little bit over 25%. So far, Nvidia is looking like it wants to fill the gap. So 6,900 day with futures PA a little bit above 6,900, and Nvidia we are over 25% up. But yeah, the market still looks bullish, like still going higher. Oh yeah, Microsoft is looking pretty bullish. It's looking pretty good. It's flagging, looks like it wants some boom boom, still have the gap above. Yeah, Microsoft definitely looks like it wants more. Nvidia, it's flagging also, it's looking pretty good. Apple is flagging, but it's having a lot of trouble around 211, 210. Yeah, I can see a lot of good setups. But I'm happy with my trades. Especially because I don't like how weird the market, yeah, we have an uptrend, not anymore, but I don't like how the candles are looking. I don't know. I don't like this 30-minute candle here. So the other trade that I'm looking at is look at these kind of level here, right? So we have these 30-minute candles here. So this level here acting as resistance, then acting as support, but the 30-minute is printing a very bearish candlestick. So if we go under this level, it's definitely gonna be bearish, and it's gonna be my favorite setup, candlestick setup ever. This one. So this is the bullish one, this is the bearish one. Especially at the 30-minute time frame at resistance. So if we see the Q losing 432, most likely it's gonna go down to the VWAP, and then if it loses the VWAP, most likely it's gonna go down to I will say morning low. But yeah, so this is what I'm looking on every single chart. How this 30-minute candle is gonna close, and if the next candle close under this support, it's gonna be this move, guys. But again, we need to wait to see if it's really gonna lose this support, the next 30-minute candlestick. So far, it's holding. So far, it's looking bullish. The Q is looking better than SPY. Meta pretty much filled the gap. Microsoft looks like it wants more, but it's having a lot of trouble. It's barely moving, and the NQ, again, for you guys, if you look the futures chart, the NQ is still having a lot of trouble around the 1800 level. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. You know what? I might trade one more time with my funded futures. Let's change this because I really like that setup. Okay. So I'm gonna be very patient here. Again, we need the Q to lose this level in order to play the downside here and to see the setup. Mhm. Meta, Apple, and Microsoft all looking pretty much the same. But we have a little bit over 1 minute to see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. So far, it definitely looks like we're gonna have that setup that I was talking about. We'll see. Broadcom rejecting 140 could be another play to the downside, and IWM rejecting 200. SPY under the VWAP, it's done so. Okay, we have the break there. So far, we're not looking good. Well, we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna go with one short here. I wanna see the Q keep it under the 9 EMA. Just one contract. You wanna see now this level acting as resistance, right? Again, these guys, this is what I'm looking here. Let's see. If he breaks the 9 EMA, I'm out. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna stop me out here. Let's see how this candle is gonna close. I'm waiting to see if this candle really is gonna close strong or if it's gonna close rejecting this 9 EMA here. Okay, I wanna see it like that. I wanna see it rejecting there. Okay, I like that reaction there. Beautiful reaction so far. but it's still fighting. It's fighting that 432 level. Same thing here with SPY. SPY is fighting the VWAP. That's Andres. That depends on what. Just go to my funded futures and Apex and see the prices. It depends what prop firm are you using. Each prop firm is different and have their own prices and rules. Okay. That is not what I want to see. Okay, I'm out. What a fake out. Okay, so the Q and SPY. SPY fought this VWAP very strong. For your first time, I will definitely say my funded futures because they have a end of the day drawdown, not like Apex that is intraday drawdown. So my funded futures, it will be easier. It's a little bit more expensive, but the thing is, like, if you buy a expert eval or the regular eval on my funded futures, when you pass, you do not pay any fees for your PAs. Something that you're gonna have to pay with Apex. Don't tell me that was a fake out. So I will say, if you want the cheapest, that's Apex. If you want easier, that's my funded futures. Nvidia is flagging. Microsoft looks like it still wants to boom boom. Nvidia is looking pretty good so far. It's flagging. Flagging at 100. I'm waiting to see if Nvidia really wants to fill the gap above. And NQ is still rejecting 1800. This is what I'm looking at on Nvidia. This. So we have this little level here that is acting as resistance, right? But Nvidia still have this gap to fill. So which level is gonna win? This resistance or Nvidia is gonna fill the gap? So far it's looking like it's flagging. If we see the 5-minute time frame, it's definitely looking like it wants more. It's flagging here. We need to break this level. But we have here a flag. So it's looking pretty bullish so far. It was looking very bearish with this 30-minute candle, just like the Q, but right now it's flagging. So let's see if it's gonna boom boom and fill the rest of the gap here. What a fake out it was, this 30-minute candle here on the Q. Beautiful, beautiful 432 hold. So the 432 level keeps acting as support. And it's pretty much looking like Nvidia. Flagging, needs to break this resistance here. 438 looks like it's the level to watch. So technically I'm still up over 1000% with these, because I had this trade. So $1,000, over $1,000, like 1,500, over 1,500. But yeah, I'm red on my funded futures today. We'll see. So we have the Q keeps moving inside these two levels here. This kind of looks like a head and shoulder, but I don't know. I don't want to get fake out again. But look at these 30-minute candles, looking ugly. And Nvidia keeps reacting 100, kind of 100, yeah, 100.60, but it's flagging, so it's kind of like the calm before the storm. Dun, 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 dun. And Apple is doing nothing. Look at Apple here. Look at this Apple. We have resistance here and support here. So it's moving, kind of looking like spot like the Q. So in between these two levels here, not doing much. Okay, 1800 again on the NQ. Let's see if Nvidia is gonna break that flag. It's gonna break out. Nvidia is looking weak now. Let's see, it's gonna go lower to the VWAP. So what I'm thinking is just being patient here and see if the Q breaks 438 and hold, we go long. If the Q, even if it breaks these 432 level, wait until it breaks the VWAP to go short. But so far, between these two levels, we have nothing. But it's not looking strong. How are you guys doing so far? You guys green? Red? I see people making crazy amount of money today. The thing is, like, with a few prop firms, they don't know if that money that they made today, they're really gonna be paid for that money, because there's a rule with prop firms. Well, each prop have different rules, but if the market move over 2% or 5%, you cannot trade with props. So I don't know if they're gonna really if that money is gonna be liquid, like if they're gonna get paid that money. Lentils made over 135k overnight with a huge pre-market gap. The 30-minute candles are looking more bullish than bearish, but it still is not that strong. Green from my first trade. Awesome, you guys are green. AMD, let's see. No, it's not looking good. AMD is rejecting. And it's right at resistance. Look at this. AMD has a lot of resistance from here to a little bit above 436. For me, if can break this level here, yes. But already filled the gap. Yeah, it needs to break, I will say 137. If it breaks 137, yeah, I'll be super bullish. but under that level, playing here is too close to resistance to go long. Right now it's looking better, but pretty much everything looks the same, exactly the same. We have an uptrend and now it's consolidating. We don't know what's gonna happen. Ugly 30-minute candles. So it's looking pretty much, everything's looking pretty much the same. So yeah, we have nothing, not much to do here. A lot of consolidation between these two levels. Nvidia is having a lot of trouble around 100. But yeah, everything is looking pretty much the same. Flagging, barely moving, ugly 30-minute candles, but still holding support. So not much to do. Let's just be patient and see. I'm waiting for the Q to break to either side, either 438 or under the VWAP. I really hate when we have like huge move overnight and then in the morning we have nothing. I hate when the market move a lot overnight. Come on, Nvidia, just go already. Move. Break out. Move. And Q around 1800 again. I would say that consolidation at resistance is very bullish. Look at this. NQ consolidating at the 1800 level. That's very bullish. Volume not high. Well, I would expect that because I'm trading because I'm doing the stream, because my thinking was waiting until later today to like waiting and seeing how the market is gonna settle a little bit after that huge move, and then see what is the real trend for the day. So I wanted to see where the market was gonna move in the morning and then trade in the afternoon. Okay, let's see if it's gonna hold here. Break 438. We're only using intraday levels here. We see how this 438 level is acting as resistance, so the Q needs to break that. We see how this 432 level is holding as support, so we wait until the Q breaks to either side. But it's taking forever. Another reaction here, maybe. Nvidia looking way better now. Still on that flag. If it goes back at 102, I'm gonna lock more profits there and only leave like 1 or 2 runners to see if it's really gonna fill that gap till 106. I almost got short here, but I decided to not do it. Yeah, everything looks the same. Flagging, rejecting the same levels and holding the same levels, moving inside a range. Ooh, how is Bitcoin doing? Whoa, look at this move on Bitcoin too. 54 is looks like a strong support here. Yeah, it looks, if it holds 54,000, I think it's gonna bounce and fill the gap. Even Bitcoin gap down. That's weird. That's a gap here. It's weird seeing gaps on Bitcoin. Did anything happen last night? That's weird. I don't check the market at all during the weekend. Like, I wake up today and I saw like everyone panicking and see people making over 100K with this move down, and I was like, what the heck is going on? I think today I need to clean every single one of my charts because I have too many levels on my charts from this huge move in the market. I need to clean, yeah. It's freaking me out having so many levels. Look at this. I do not like seeing my charts like that. Getting confusing. Yeah, I think that's my homework today. Cleaning every single one of my charts. Okay. Another 1800 rejection. On NQ. Still, the 30-minute candles are looking ugly as fuck. But I'm gonna wait for the Q to break the VWAP to go short. If I see it still holding here, I might trade just a little bounce. But to go short, I'm gonna wait for the VWAP break. Apple is holding very good so far. Meta is looking weak. Nvidia is holding. I haven't looked at Google and Amazon. Oh, Google reject beautiful 164.50 rejection. And Amazon. Friday's low rejection. Yeah, Friday's low rejection. Ooh, that's what happened. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm going long here. Let's see. Odd. Bye. Okay, I'm done, guys. I'm done. My funded future has a thing that it stop you out if you daily, just to protect your account. So I got out because I had over 1,000 red day, so I cannot keep trading this account. I did not lose this account, it's just like my funded futures protection plan. So yeah, I'm out. I'm still up over $1,000 for the day with futures, and I'm up on Nvidia. I'm gonna put alerts here to see if the NQ is gonna break 438 or if it's gonna break the VWAP. And I'm done for today. Later today, if I see a break to either side, I'm gonna take that trade. But it keeps moving inside this range, not trading anymore. So I'll see you guys mañana for sure. I'll be here this week. Yeah, watch Nvidia. If keep holding here, Nvidia is still flagging. I'm still holding a few runners. So my plan for Nvidia is, let me show you guys here. Okay, so Nvidia is still flagging. Do I love this flag? No. Is it a beautiful flag? No. But it's still holding. So I think as long as Nvidia keeps holding here, even if it goes down and hold the VWAP, I'm still bullish on Nvidia. I'm gonna take most of my profits here if it tries to go again to 102, and then I'm just gonna leave 1 or 2 runners to see if it's gonna fill the gap, this gap here. But so far we can see how Nvidia is having a lot of trouble here, right? But yeah, I already locked a lot of profits here, just holding a little runners, and yeah, still looking bullish. The market is still holding here. We have 438 resistance on the Q, and this VWAP 432 support, and then the VWAP. And for SPY, it's gonna be 520, 521 resistance, and above that, we still have a big gap to fill. But I'm out for today. I'm done. Oh yeah, Apple running. Apple looks like it's gonna go for the gap. So yeah, that's gonna help the market go higher. Definitely. Yeah, Apple running. Watch the 212. If it can really break that 212, it's gonna go for the gap. When did I get in on Nvidia? Let's see. I think it was around 96 when I got in on Nvidia. 96, yeah. Yeah, 96. It was this candle. This third 5-minute candle today in the morning. 1, 2, yeah, the third one on this candle. I think it was around 96. Yeah. Somewhere around 96. That's when I got in on Nvidia. But yeah, I'm gonna put a alert here to take more profits, and then just leave some runners there. Man, look at this beauty. But yeah, I like that my funded future has that because it protects you from losing your PAs, from losing your accounts. But yeah, I'm done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here.